Hi, welcome to Brittany Miller Socials. Today, we're doing trim. So, I've already fixed the wall that I broke, putting in the door on the inside, because I didn't think that through. But since I did that, now I can put trim on. So the trim we're going to use, we pulled off of the house. It's our old trim. Here it is. Although we have some painted stuff, this is just an old piece. But yeah, we sanded it down, we painted it. It's pretty thick, pretty good stuff. So we also have, for the tops of our doors, these old, kind of like bullseye looking squares, which is great because, I'm dropping them. Because then when you put the trim on, you can just cut it flat. You can cut it flat and put it on the bottom. So we won't have to cut any 45s for these. So it appears I've already ran into a problem. Because these are base pieces, and it runs into the hinge. So I think I'll either have to notch out for the hinge, or I'll just put it on the edge here. Hi.
Hi.
Okay, so we have two options. We either put it beside the hinge like this, or we cut the edge so it the hinge goes inside the edge of this.
Option one.
Option one. I think we'll option one too. If we cut it inset, the door won't be able to open as far either. Okay. Ugh. We're gonna start by nailing on our bottom pieces right here. I've got my air nailer here, brad nailer, and I'm just gonna line it up. I'm gonna put nails through here and here because I don't have ones long enough to make it through the bottom. Hi, Luca. I just realized I can't do this. I haven't put the flooring in underneath of it. Hi. Today we're gonna be working on flooring. So our problem is when I put in this door, I had to put in this sill plate right here, but we had flooring here, but I had to remove it because it was in the way of the sill plate. So I'm gonna have to cut some new flooring, and I can't put the trim in until the flooring under it. Okay, so I've got to take the door off the hinges because the flooring's gonna go past the edge, and it's just gonna be really annoying. So yeah, I'll do that. Always clean up your workspace. So here's our flooring. I guess I should open this. It says it's Pickford Hickory 22 millimeter. Oh, that's what it looks like. Vinyl flooring, I like it because it's waterproof all the way through and through. Plastic backing, plastic front. Really good for kids. And since we have an old house, if it leaks, Anyways, we are trusty jigsaw. Since our cuts aren't gonna be straight, they've got corners on them, we'll just jigsaw them out. All right, I got my measurements all marked out. So obviously when you do this, you want to use a straight edge to draw the lines.
Wow.
This is our piece. Hopefully it fits. Alrighty, got the floor in. Not the best work, but whatever. I'll put the doors back on. And I'll see you then. Hi, welcome to Brittany Miller Socials. Today we're going to be doing trim. Now that I definitely didn't spend 3 hours doing the flooring here, I can finally put in my trim piece down here. Well, that's weird. There's all these nails stuck in it. I don't know how those go there. I'm going to have to take them out though. Now that I've got those magic nails gone, I can attach these. Here. Really? Okay. And there we go. Only 4 hours. We're gonna do our corner pieces up here. Same idea as the bottom one. They're gonna go here. I'm gonna put one nail in the bottom corner. Oh. That way I can turn it when I put my bottom piece on so I can get it flat. Okay, now I need to use a special technique to turn the trim that's not on the wall into trim that is on the wall. A special technique called nails. Now, of course, before we use my family's super secret trim on wall technique, we have to cut it to the right size. Okay, so now I got my boards cut to the right length, and I just gotta put them on. Okay, so time for my family's secret technique. We're gonna nail it to the wall. It didn't work. Nope, nope. If I catch you using my family's secret technique, I will send a cease and desist to you. So we're pretty much done. I still have to caulk and wood fill all the holes in the edges, but while you weren't looking, I did this door as well. So yeah, thanks for watching. Have a good day.